Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Todoist labels and filters for task clarity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Todoist app or website. Log in to your Todoist account. Begin by navigating to the project where you want to apply labels. To create a label, click on the Labels option in the left sidebar. Select Add Label to create a new one. Type in a name for your label that describes its purpose. Choose a color for your label if desired. Click Add to save the label. Now you can assign this label to any task. To do this, open a task you want to label. Click on the labels icon or type that symbol followed by your label name. To create a filter, go back to the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on Filters. Select Add Filter to start a new filter creation. Give your filter a name that reflects the tasks it will show. In the filter query box, specify the criteria using labels. For example, type add your label name to filter tasks by that specific label. You can combine filters by using operators like and or for or. Click Add Filter to save your new filter. Now, you will see your created filter in the sidebar. Click on the filter to view all tasks that meet the criteria you set. This will help you gain clarity and focus on specific tasks. Repeat these steps to create additional labels and filters as needed. Adjust and refine your labels and filters to keep your workflow organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.